Hello, my name is Akirito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Fly Me to the Moon. So first I'm going to sing a song and with chords on it, and later I'm going to explain each chord. So if you know the chords, you can just play along with the singing part, and if you don't know the chords, you can just go to the chords part and come back to the singing part. So let's get started with the singing part. Fly me to the moon, let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars. In other words, hold my hand. In other words, darling, kiss me. Fill my heart with song, let me sing forevermore. You are all I long for, all I worship and adore. In other words, please be true. In other words, I love you. Now I'm going to explain the chords. There are 11 chords in this song. Okay, I'm going to explain one by one. The first chord you need to know is A minor. This is A minor. You put your middle finger on the second fret of the top string. That's A minor. The next chord you need to know is A7. You put your point finger on the first fret of the third string. This one. The next chord you need to know is C. You put your ring finger on the third fret of the first string. C. C major 7. This one. Just slide one up. So put your middle finger, whatever finger, on the second fret of the first string. That's C major 7. The next chord you need to know is C7. Just C major 7, C7. So put your, point finger on the first fret of the first string. That's C7. The next chord is a bit tricky, but D minor, or either way. I highly recommend you play like this. Anyway, so first put your point finger on the first fret of the second string, and put your middle finger on the top string of the second fret, and with your ring finger on the second fret of the third string. It should sound like this. D minor. The next chord is E7. First, put your point finger on the top string of the first fret, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the third string, and with your ring finger on the second fret of the first string. It just sounds like this. E7 and E minor 7. Next chord is E minor 7, by the way. The next chord is E minor 7. It is easy. Just lift up your point finger, and that will make E minor 7. So the next chord is F. Put your point finger on the second string of the first fret, and with your middle finger on the top string of the second fret. It should sound like this. F. The next chord is G. Put your point finger on the second fret of the third string, and put your middle finger on the second fret of the first string, and put your ring finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. It should sound like this. G. So the last chord you need to know is G7. It should sound like this, and put your point finger on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, and with your middle finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and with your ring finger on the 2nd fret of the 1st string. G7. Now you know all the chords. You have to repeat this process and remember all the chords. And when you're told, say A minor, you have to play A minor, and if you're told to play D minor, maybe you have to play D minor as soon as possible. Make yourself comfortable with the chords. Now I'm going to explain the strumming patterns of this song. I'm going to use C as an example, and throughout the song I played like this. When you downstroke, use your point finger and your point finger, and with your nails you play down. And when you up, you use your flashy part of your point finger and up. Okay, so this is down, down, up, up, down, up. So down, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down, up. And you have to practice more and more. And yeah, it's hard for you to learn the strumming patterns if you don't know the patterns. But once you've got used to it, then it's easy to play. So you have to repeat again and again and again until you get it smoothly. So that's the end of my tutorial of Fly Me to the Moon. And if you like it, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.